Hello everyone, welcome and thank you so much for watching. Now that we're in like the 11th day of the quarantine, I'm here in Sandymount in Dublin. During these times, during the pandemic, I wanted to make a video series about 3 very simple spiritual exercises, 3 very simple sadhanas that you can use and do at home without any need for going to a personal yoga class or learning something completely new. Well, this is the first of that video and it's going to be followed up by 2 more. So there's going to be 3 simple sadhanas, 3 simple yogas that you can do during the pandemic to help you deal with what's going on right now. And first of all, I wanted to say, and I've talked about this on my Instagram and a couple of other places, that the worst thing you can do right now is to spread fear. So every kind of piece of information, every article that's from an unsecure source, everything that's not coming from health authorities, try to not circulate it, try to not spread it. And the reason for that is that there's nothing that is so bad for our immune system and for our entire biochemistry as the feeling of anxiety and fear. Spending hours reading different news sources that might not be too reliable, weakening your body's chance to respond to this virus should you get infected. And what I'm saying right now is not some kind of new age mumbo jumbo. Science has a lot to say about this as well, so feel free to do your own research on this. This video is about the first technique, and the reason we're going through these 3 techniques is because the best thing you can do right now, except for following the regulations, staying inside, is to make sure that you're in a state of peace and that you're in a state of balance and that those around you benefits from your state of being. So today we're going to go through the first yoga, and I do this practice every morning before doing anything else. It's a very simple circulation of gratitude, so I just call it circulation of gratitude. And what you're doing is that you're scanning through the entire body and you're pulling the feeling of gratitude through different limbs, joints and organs within the physical body. What this does is that it builds up a very stable baseline of happiness and joy within you before you go on to the rest of your day. And it also circulates prana, or life force, throughout the body, because your prana follows your attention throughout your limbs and your nervous system. So the exercise is super simple. The first thing you do in the morning is sit down. I do this in the shower, you can do it wherever. Sit down, start by focusing on your feet and just saying thank you to your feet because you're able to walk and stand. Then say thank you to your legs because you're able to walk. Then say thank you to all your inner organs for working the way they do. Then extend this feeling of gratitude to your lungs, to your heart for pumping out blood, to all the blood vessels in your body, to your shoulders. Then say deep thank you to both your arms and your hands. That allows you to work, write, touch. Then say thanks to your jaws and your tongue that allows you to speak and sing and kiss. Then say thank you to your eyes that allows you to see, your ears that allows you to hear, and your skin that allows you to feel. So in short, what you're doing is that you're saying thank you to your entire body for allowing you to perceive the world, for allowing you to be alive. This sounds like a very simple exercise, and it is very simple in execution, but it's extremely powerful. So like just the fact that you're starting your day from a place of happiness and gratitude will set a baseline for the entire rest of your day, and it will make your mood very hard to affect. Even though something may happen and the world might throw different stuff at you, starting your day like this every morning is one of the best things you can do for both your mental and your physical functioning. Please let me know your experience with this and if you're doing something similar from before. If not, good luck, try it out, it works, it's effective. So don't brush it off before you tried it, and I hope it provides some kind of help for you to get through these difficult times. May all beings be happy and free of suffering, and thank you for watching.